Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. Thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below for the comment section, really helps out the channel. Also make sure to go down in the description and sign up for Blofin. They're offering some big sign up and competition bonuses in the description below, so go get involved with that. And also if you're interested in my trading bots, which have been making me over 5% a month returns completely passively for the past few years, send me a Twitter DM down below via the link as well. This has been a real revelation for me during this bear market this time around, because it's allowed me to have a continuous stream of income that I've been using to buy into the markets. And as you can see here, we are basically coming back and back testing for Vechain into our previous bear market range. Ever since 2022, I've just been averaging into this market as we've been going up and down just every few weeks or so. Once I've got some profits from my bots, just averaging into the market continuously, acquiring a really nice bag with entries all over the place during this bear market range, as you can see here for Vechain. Basically just continuously adding to my bags for the long term. And obviously we did start to see that nice push beyond the range, but we've come back inside of the range, back tested and come down to the 50% area of the range now for Vechain. Obviously a lot of cryptos looking very similar to like this in the top 50, top 100, all basically just getting absolutely smashed down recently by the local price action. You can see here forming this W double bottom pattern. I do think is probably going to be the case for Vechain. You can see in this local area here, pretty obvious W double bottom pattern, and in the local little area here as well, forming a range. I think this is probably going to break to the upside and come up and form this pattern, in my opinion. We're very overextended to the downside now. You can see just how incredibly oversold we are. The last time we were this oversold, we were forming up very similar to this, as you can see here, and we actually got a V-shaped recovery of that local move. So if that was the case, we could see this W double bottom pattern and then get that V-shaped recovery back up above that 3 cent level, up to around 3.3 cents, and then break out also of that local downtrend resistance here. You can see resistance, still stuck under that resistance, but getting into a point now where I do think we're going to start getting a lot more buy pressure coming in. And you can see here I took a long position off that swing low, previous swing low area of support. We pretty much bounced perfectly back into profit, and now looking like we're probably going to head up, in my opinion, to continue to the upside. So just waiting and seeing what Bitcoin's going to do. Is it going to lead the market up over the next few weeks, or are we just going to keep going sideways?